In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of scheduling a student to a course section. First, navigate to the menu and select Schedule Student under the Scheduling section. Next, click on the plus sign near Student. This action will open a search box. Enter any of your search criteria and click on Search. A list of all active students in the system will appear. Select the students you wish to schedule. Now, click on the plus sign beside Course section. This will open another search box. Enter your search criteria and click on Search. This will list all available course sections in the system. Choose the course section in which you wish to schedule the students. You have now finished selecting the course section. A summarized format will appear below. Here, you may alter the start date when the students will begin studying the course section. Once ready, click on Schedule Student to proceed. In case any student isn't scheduled, you will receive detailed information in a report. Click on View Report here to access it. Thank you.